Hi everybody, I'm Kirsten Meakin from Nayo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a French foil design. We're going to sculpt out the nail. I've already prepped the nail, so I've removed the surface shine, I've done the cuticle work, and I'm going to build a stiletto nail on the lovely Andrea. I'm going to dehydrate the nail with the Nail Prep dehydrator. Then I'm going to use the acid-based primer to prime the nail ready for the acrylic. I'm going to use natural beige. I've got medium speed liquid. And I'm going to start picking my bead up. And I'm going to start here. And we're going to create the length of the nail. Chase it down the tip. It's not a tip, it's a sculpting form. Flatten that off a little bit. Then you can start to mould it into shape. The reason that I'm doing the very tip first is because when the product comes in contact with the natural nail, it will set quicker. So this part's going to set slower. So by the time I've done this part, it should all be setting at a very similar rate. Once that's set a little bit, we're going to pinch that so it's nice and slim. I am going to pinch the length as well, just gently bouncing that in. And I'm going to take the form off. And that just releases like that. Now I'm going to go through my normal filing routine. So side walls first, get those nice and straight, and then I will do the cuticle area and then contour the rest of the nail. I'm going to buff over the nail with a buffer just to smooth it out. To create the smile, we're going to use Leo, which is a gorgeous bronze colour. And I'm going to put this onto some backing paper, and I'm going to use this brush, which is called Deep Smile.
Deep smile.
Deep smile. So let's load this brush with the polish. I'm going to line that up with the side, press it on, pull down. You'll get a better shot from the other side. Line that up, press it down.
That's quite clever, isn't it?
Then we can move up to that line. I'm going to go again up that side. That's a good little trick with that brush to get your smile line nice and neat and even. Pop that in the lamp. So I'm going to put another coat over, so you're going to do exactly the same thing. Pull down. Pop that in the lamp. While that's in the lamp, I'm going to get my foil ready. I'm going to wipe over with gel residue wipe-off solution to clean the back of the foil so it's perfectly clean, and we'll transfer it onto the nail. So, we obviously don't want it to go on here, and it won't because it's not sticky. This part is sticky. So, we're going to press and create a bit of a foil pattern. On the nail. So you can see how that just sticks to the tip. That's definitely my fingerprint.
It is, isn't it? I think the harder you press on, Andrea, you could frame her for murder now.
Yeah. Oh my god, I want to get rid of that. I don't like that they have my fingerprint. Oh, this is me. So now we're going to seal this. And I'm going to do 2 coats of top coat because I really want this to stay on. And oh my god, look what I've done. Transferred some of it up there. So 1 coat done. Cure that and then we'll do another. So because I'm going to put another coat of top coat on, because we're going to have 2 coats of top coat, I'm not going to do that until I put some stones on. And I'm going to do that with the Aqua Gel. So got some gel residue wipe-off solution to help me move around this aqua gel. I'm going to move it and put it exactly where I want it. We're going to frame the smile line. And then bring some of the stones down. And we'll basically enhance the shape by bringing it down into a point. So we're going to enhance the shape of the smile line and enhance the shape of the nail. Alright, now I'm going to top coat. So I haven't cured the aqua gel, just top coated it. Make sure you're capping those edges because you want the foil to stay put. So you're going to press your stones into the aqua gel. And I'm going to pop that into the lamp now. So I'm going to finish off with some cuticle oil on Andrea's sore cuticles. We've battered them today. We're putting nails on, taking them off, putting nails on, taking them off. Got a little bit battered. I think that foil tip looks a Bobby Dazzler with those gorgeous stones. If you don't know what Bobby Dazzler is, it means it's like good, basically. Looks nice effect, isn't it, that?
Beautiful.
There you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as me and Andrea has. I'm sure Adam's loved doing it as well because he just loves working with me so much because, you know, 5 days in a row, it's not killing him at all.
One more video.
One more video and we are done for the week. Everything I've used today will be listed below and I will see you in the next video. Please keep watching. I love you. Bye-bye. Another round of bullets hits my skin. So fire away, 'cause today I won't let the shame sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and